All right, folks, there's 3 chart requests from over here inside of the Discord. I'm taking these right here from Spartan Chat. We got Cetus, Link, and WLD, all cryptocurrencies. The first one's Cetus. You guys know how much I like this project. This is the DEX, which stands for Decentralized Exchange, built on the SUI network. We've been buying this one really since like about 2.5 cents, since we got these signals back here in November, and we got one right there in February at $0.015. It went all the way up to 4 cents, and now it's pulled back over the last 4 weeks. So what you're doing on this, what I'm doing at least, I do have a big position on this, but I'm just holding it here, right? We're obviously going down. We haven't really got that move to the upside that we've been looking for, but ultimately we're just looking to add again here on this green dot once we get it. Okay, we're looking to average down. I think it comes down and maybe bounces right here around 0.02. Again, I'm very bullish on the SUI ecosystem. The SUI ecosystem pretty much does not exist or cannot exist. It can exist, but it'd be backwards for them to let Cetus fail. Again, Cetus got hacked back here when it was like at 50 cents. And then what SUI did was they gave them a $6 billion loan to bail out, right? Because they lost a bunch of funds because their protocol got hacked. But then they fixed the problem. SUI gave them a $6 billion loan. Okay, and again, this thing was ripping, going to the sky. And now it's all the way down here. It went from 50 cents all the way down to $0.015. So I still really like this project down here. I think it's a very undervalued protocol. And yes, it does have a red dot, so we got to be bearish until the dot flips back to green like it did there at $0.015. Again, it went from $0.015 up to 4 cents. So realistically, we're just looking to add here on another green dot when we get it. We'll be keeping an eye on that. Chainlink, same thing. Okay, Chainlink got the green dot back here in February. That literally came at $8.37. Yes, you're down 30 cents off of the position, but again, we're stuck in a consolidation pattern. Okay, consolidation looks like this. Okay, it's just going sideways. We're not going up. We're not going down, right? We're just going sideways. So Link is stuck in that consolidation zone. I still think the low is in right there at $7 for Chainlink, just because I think that does not mean that it is. But ultimately, just looking for the green dot to come back here on the chart. Again, you're buying it like 30 cents lower than this last signal came. So again, the red dot came last week up here at around 950. It had a pretty brutal week so far, down 12%. Again, the signal called the drop, right? The only thing that invalidates the green dot is the red dot. When the red dot comes, we can make a decision to either A, set a stop loss, B, sell, or C, do nothing. Okay, do nothing and then just wait for another buy signal to add to your position. We're building positions over time. What we want to do is we want to buy when these green dots are down here, okay, and sell when the wave's up here, given a red dot. So right here at 715, I think that's the bottom for Link still. Last one's WLD, so this one's really taken off its last signal here, doing really well. We're just waiting for a sell signal on this one now, waiting for the red dot. That one's got a little ways to go back to the red zone as well, between 140 and 160. This one looks good, really breaking out here.